Damn, son, where'd you find this?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys, man, I'm going to react to another tornado video. This time it's different. It's called The Best Tornado Chase Ever by Freddie McKinney, who chased tornadoes. I haven't seen this video yet, so which I saw the thumbnail since I did react to the tornado in Iowa. You guys haven't checked it out, it's on my channel, so we're about to go ahead and check this bit out. Before we get to the video, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, hit that notification button. Without further ado, let's get it.
That's a strong tornado. I think the Dominator deployed in it.
Did it intercept?
Oh yeah.
Oh, let's go.
On May 12th, 2023, a tornado outbreak is imminent across the state of Nebraska as a monster surface low is churning just overhead, overlapping an extremely moist air mass, creating the perfect environment for tornadoes. And as supercell storms develop over central Nebraska, I prepare for what's looking like my best tornado chase ever.
Nice.
Ooh, that actually.
Oh yeah.
That looks really promising.
Let's go down there.
Shit about to drop. Shit about to go down, bruh.
Looks super promising, man.
At 2 p.m., a supercell is nearing the small town of Spalding, Nebraska. And just underneath the storm's base, we spot a suspicious lowering through the rain.
It's just a bull right now, yeah, it looks like. Oh man, look at that bull.
That's a tornado. That's a tornado. That's a tornado on the ground right there.
Oh,
large
boy.
cone. At 2:20 p.m., the tornado touches down just 5 miles to our south.
It looks getting stronger though. He just gotta get closer. Now that's a perfect road right there.
Turning left, we get a clear visual of two simultaneous tornadoes. A weak rope tornado dances to the east of a much more powerful cone-shaped tornado.
Oh shit.
It's kind of muddy down here, Trent, just to let you know. But it's good, it's good. Yep. Still got twins.
Oh, it's twins though.
Yep.
But it's weakling. It's weakling. I know it's weakling, but this is that about to drop.
It's right there. There it is. Doing damage.
But it's not on the ground yet though. But he said it's doing damage.
I've got it right here. It's on the road.
I don't see how people like chase tornadoes like that.
Crossing now.
I don't want him to get too close with that thing.
Right there.
Suction vortices. I'm gonna turn and point right at it here.
Is there a north option from that road?
No, we gotta go back.
Oh, do we?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Vortex.
Yep.
I think that's weakling. It's gotta be.
Gotta go now.
That thing is huge.
It's a big tornado.
So there's two.
As the tornado races off to the northwest, we quickly retrace our steps back north to Highway 91, where we plan to intercept the tornado as it crosses the road. We still have a tornado? Yeah, I think it's to the right of the road. I don't see a tornado, but it could still be on the ground.
You gotta
I can't
be
tell.
careful.
What's to the left? Is that it? Oh, wedge! There it is!
Oh shit! Oh shit! Out of nowhere!
Left of the road.
Out of nowhere!
Big wedge.
What? I know it! literally dropped out of the Holy Lord! Wow. 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 I love how they do that, you know, that speed video.
That's a strong tornado.
I love it. It's so smooth. Oh my God! Yo! God! That's the one beautiful son of a bitch! It's gotta be a drone, bro! It's gotta be a drone! That is insane! How they do that, bro? How they do that? It's gotta be a drone. Oh my God, man. This is why I love watching tornado videos, man. That's the one beautiful son of a bitch. God damn. I wouldn't get close to that thing. Nope. Nope. No, thank you. Hell no. That bitch look like an EL5. Good God. That's the one big son of a bitch right there. That's a monster.
I think the Dominator deployed in it.
Wow. Is it headed straight towards them or what?
For sure.
Oh my God.
Top 3 probably.
What just happened? That was a tornado.
That was a twister and it was twisting.
At 2:42 p.m., the Spalding, Nebraska tornado dissipates over the sandhills after tracking across rural areas for just under 20 minutes. Ultimately, this tornado will only be rated an EF1 as it hit no structures along its 13-mile path, a dream tornado chase for myself and others, including Team Dominator, who successfully intercepted the tornado as it crossed US 281.
Oh my God! Look at that shit! Look at that shit! That's the one beautiful shit! That's intense! That's intense right there, man! That is intense! Oh my God! Wow!
Strawberry or nut?
Oh my God! Now that's definitely a drone. Like whoever's drone that is, like flew, like, you know, to the tornado, barely to a tornado. That was insane. That was very insane. Like that's like my first time seeing this. Literally seeing this. But yeah, this is the reason why I love watching tornadoes videos. You know what I'm saying? Cause I love tornadoes. That I also love study it. You know, like I said in my last video and stuff. So, but it's cool. It's like I say, it's cool to look at, take pictures. But at the same time, it's dangerous. It's very, very dangerous. Cause I don't see how they they chase tornadoes like that. I can't talk right though. but yeah, like I say, I don't see how and why they, you know, chase like, you know, them things right there. Like, I couldn't do it. I wouldn't do that because I wouldn't get so close to the big tornadoes, especially EF5, because that thing is stronger. You know what I'm saying? So, but in the case, man, that's it for the video for you guys. Make sure you guys follow me on social media. I see you guys in this video. You gotta be safe out there. God bless you all. See you guys later.